Welcome to Italy. Today, we're going on a trip to 3 amazing Italian cities you absolutely have to see. We'll explore the old ruins of Rome, the beautiful art in Florence, and the charming canals of Venice. Italy is full of amazing things to see and do. If you're planning a trip or just dreaming about Italy, keep watching. We'll learn about the history, culture, and most important places to visit in each city. I'm excited to share my love of Italy with you and help you see how magical it is. So grab a cappuccino, get comfy, and let's start our unforgettable Italian adventure. Rome, the Eternal City. When you hear that name, you probably think of gladiators, emperors, and the powerful Roman Empire. This city is like a big outdoor museum, a real-life reminder of hundreds of years of history. As you walk through its streets and squares, you'll see old ruins, beautiful fountains, and amazing churches. Start your Roman adventure at the Colosseum, the famous arena where gladiators fought and people watched exciting shows. Imagine the cheering crowds, the sounds of swords clashing, and all the excitement that happened inside those old walls. Right next door is the Roman Forum, the center of the Roman Empire. This big archaeological site was where Romans made laws, did business, and celebrated their victories. Imagine senators talking about laws, people doing their everyday things, and emperors showing off after winning battles. But Rome isn't just about ancient history. It's also a fun, modern city with great food, busy markets, and cool neighborhoods to explore. Walk through Trastevere, with its narrow streets, buildings covered in plants, and lively restaurants. This is a perfect place to try real Roman food, drink local wines, and enjoy the romantic feeling of the city. And of course, you can't go to Rome without throwing a coin into the Trevi Fountain. People say that if you do, you'll come back to this magical city someday. The best way to see Rome is by walking, so wear comfortable shoes and get ready to be amazed. Take your time, enjoy every moment, and don't worry about getting a little lost in the magic of Rome. Next, we're going to Florence, where the Renaissance began. It's a city full of art, culture, and history. Florence is like a real-life museum, with amazing art everywhere you look. From the famous Duomo to Michelangelo's David, this city is incredibly beautiful and full of artistic treasures. Start your Florence adventure at the Duomo, the city's beautiful cathedral with its amazing dome designed by Brunelleschi. Climbing to the top of the dome is something you must do. You'll get amazing views of Florence. And while you're there, look closely at the beautiful gates of paradise on the baptistery doors. You can't go to Florence without seeing Michelangelo's David at the Galleria dell'Accademia. This famous statue, a symbol of the Renaissance, is really amazing. Walk across the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence that wasn't destroyed during World War II, and look at the shops built on it. Explore the Oltrarno neighborhood with its artisan workshops and cozy cafes. When the sun goes down, find a spot along the Arno River and enjoy the magical feeling of this beautiful city. Florence is a city that you'll love and that will inspire you. Finally, we arrive in Venice, the city of canals, gondolas, and romance. Venice is a special city, built on water and connected by many canals. It looks like it's floating, with its palaces and churches rising from the water like a dream. The best way to see Venice is to get lost in its streets and canals. Take a vaporetto, like a bus on the water, and ride down the Grand Canal, the city's main waterway. Or, for a really romantic experience, take a gondola ride and glide quietly through the smaller canals while a gondolier sings. You have to visit St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice. Look at the beautiful St. Mark's Basilica, with its colorful mosaics and domes. Climb the Campanile, the bell tower, for great views of the city. And don't miss Doge's Palace, where the rulers of Venice used to live. Explore the quieter neighborhoods of Dorsoduro and Cannaregio, with their pretty canals, bridges, and squares. Visit the Rialto Market, a busy place where you can find fresh seafood, fruits and vegetables, and souvenirs. Try ticchetti, small snacks served in bars, or enjoy some fresh seafood pasta. And try a Bellini, a famous Venetian drink made with Prosecco and peach. Venice is a city of magic, romance, and unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Goodbye! I hope this virtual trip has made you want to see the magic of Italy for yourself. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the beautiful art in Florence and the charming canals of Venice, Italy has something for everyone. So start planning your Italian adventure today and get ready to make memories that will last forever. Bye for now and have a great trip. Happy travels ahead. Subscribe for more adventures. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Follow us on social media for daily travel updates. You've been watching Traveling Kangaroo.